Here are some bulletproof blooming plants for summertime. I'm Mary with Nelson Nursery and Water Gardens, and let's get into it. I've got the amazing vincas. You see these all around. They love the heat, which is amazing for us here in Texas. They come in pretty much any color you would want. Now, they can be upright or they can cascade, so you can use them in pots or just in your landscape. You need some height. You need to replace those snapdragons from the winter. You got angelonias. Again, another heat lover. She says, I don't care, I'll sweat all day. Just water them. They do still have to have some water. And lastly, the penta. Let's bring in those pollinators, those butterflies, those bees. And penta, I don't know if you know this, is named this because it has 5 petals on the flower, thus being called a penta. So you need bulletproof plants. You want blooms all summer long and even into the fall. These 3 are right for you.